I'm gonna show y'all something. So if y'all have had a no spark issue on a old Harley Sportster, anywhere from like 2003 and less, and you're not getting any spark and it's not firing over, can't figure out what it is, you know, even though you change the coil, which I've done, it's still registered the same way. I've changed the coil back and to the new one. It's still, you know, they're both good. So you can do your test here, but that doesn't necessarily going to mean that, hey, if you go buy a new coil, that's going to fix your problem. Let's say you did buy a new coil and guess what? Still don't work. Well, guess what? After scouring the internet and figuring it all out, I've checked, you know, the ignition module. I've traced every wire here. On the side of your battery, here, take this plate off right here. This little thing right here. It's called the bank angle switch. And you would be surprised that is it. That's your issue. So what I did is I unhooked mine and I jiggled it a little bit, made sure it was centered, and then I put it back on the bike, made sure it was straight up and down. Turn your switch on and off 5 times. After I did that, it pulled up something on reset on my speedometer, and then boom, it's fired up ever since.